Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You've got the Chromecast 4K and cables in hand. Plug the USB-C power into the dongle and into a reliable wall outlet. Once done, insert Chromecast into an available HDMI port. Use the included extender if the port is tight. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on and that both your phone and Chromecast will join the same Wi-Fi band. This avoids pairing conflicts. Now power on your TV and switch to the corresponding HDMI input so you can see the setup prompt. Open Google Home and tap the plus to add a device. The app will scan and find the Chromecast. You'll see a pairing code on the TV. Verify that it matches the app to prevent wrong device pairing. Next, select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. If you have an SSID with both bands, consider selecting 5 GHz for streaming quality unless range is limited. Give the device a distinct name and room so casting and voice controls work smoothly across multiple devices. To cast, open a supported app and tap the cast icon, then pick your Chromecast. You'll stream directly, leaving your phone free. For deeper control, open Google Home to tweak ambient images, resolution preferences, or link subscriptions for personalized recommendations. If you don't see the device, first reboot the Chromecast and your router. This clears IP conflicts. If that fails, press and hold the device button until the LED flashes to factory reset. Then repeat setup. This removes persistent pairing or network errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.